We are outside with Frank, Desert Car Care in Cave Creek. Oh, my goodness. Frank, good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you.
Oh, my goodness. A clean car, clean mind. I like to say that with our great car wash that we put on every year. 19 years and going strong this year.
That is amazing. But we know some people would say a happy wife, a happy life, but a stinky car, a mad wife. And so
yes. You want to keep it clean, buddy.
You want to keep it clean. And some of us will get it clean on the outside. Then we go to pick up our mother-in-law down at the airport. She gets it and it's nasty. So we're going to talk about the dirtiest air that you can have in your car, period. Like, this is fact.
This could be bad, huh?
It is bad, yeah. In fact, that steering wheel is like 4 times dirtier than a public toilet seat.
That's crazy.
That's what research shows, so we're going to show those steps. But we do talk about cabin filters. I cannot say enough once a year. This is not too bad, as you can see.
Okay, that looks clean, right?
This is about I would say about a year old, right?
Okay.
This one, not too bad. This is maybe less than 3 months old. That air that goes through the cab is filtered with this cabin. This should be changed once a year. Now, look at the nasties on that.
Oh, that is so gross.
I mean, oh my gosh, get away. We need the... But my point is, these cabins are the frontline defense for all the pollen.
You're breathing that.
You're breathing it, absolutely. And in many occasions, it'll actually reduce the volume of air. We've had that come in the garage.
Okay.
So next step is we've got, if you park under a tree, you're going to get, maybe get some leave-in debris. So you'd want to go in there every oil change and really get that up. Because if we don't get those leave-in debris, that's, let's see, it gets right into this evaporative box. I want to show you. We can't see this. This is underneath the dash.
This is inside a vehicle.
Inside the vehicle. This is the business of a blower motor and the evaporator. Let's take this apart.
Look at this, the magic of Frank.
The magic. That actually, just so you know, that's a good day and a half to get this thing out of the car. It's a big job.
Thank you for doing this, bro.
Yeah. So, evaporator right here.
Okay.
Just like a window unit, AC unit, on a humid day, it'll start dripping water.
Okay.
Your car does the same. Some folks will say, oh, I got a leak, but it's normal because we're leaking condensation.
Interesting.
You may have seen that. So this condensation, look at the leave-in debris.
Okay, I'm seeing that.
Okay, so let's say condensation's building up. We need to drain from here. Right? If we're clogged with these leave-in debris,
you don't want that,
that water starts standing. And what's standing water? Bacteria and the nasties and the oldie moldies, as I call them.
Ew,
so
gross.
We can go in. Let me get a good camera shot.
Okay.
Kind of tough. If folks are going to do this on the weekend, they may want to try. This is up by the firewall, but you come in here.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Mechanic's best friend is a hanger, right? You know, so we get in there, we really start draining that.
There you go.
And so, please, leave-in debris at the cowl of the windshield, get that done.
Interesting.
Standing water's not your friend. Now, we talked about pets. We all have pets. We love them. Here's that same evaporator. This is a little bigger than that. On the other side of that, you got dog and pet here, right here.
Come on, man.
So you got to vacuum the inside of the car. This will this will cause some nasty odors, reduction in performance of AC.
Okay.
So, quick tip. We said steering wheel could be nasty. 4 times dirtier than a public toilet seat.
That is so gross.
It is gross. I have a tip.
What do you recommend cleaning this?
Well, look, it's real simple. You get a little rubbing alcohol. Just a little dab. Don't put too much because you don't want to ruin the interior.
Okay.
You get your favorite Dawn dishwasher liquid thingy. Put that in there. Get this guy in here. Get a little water.
Come on,
really
Frank.
soak it up.
There
Look
you
at us go. Yes.
Okay, good.
Now we take a nice cloth. Get that mixed in there. And this, without buying any expensive cleaners, will work.
Okay.
And you rub the interior, rub that steering wheel, get it all nice and clean, because it is nasty.
Desert Car Care. That's Frank right there. Look for him in Cave Creek and keep him busy.
I'm keeping busy. Oh, yes,
all right.
We're grateful.
Clean car, clean mind, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back right after this.